Hey, what's up you guys? Richie Valentine here. I'm here in Vietnam at a relative's farm. They have several different animals, including pigs, chickens, dogs, some fish, and maybe a couple of others that I'm forgetting, but it's a really cool property. So we're gonna just take a quick look around and see what a property like this looks like. There's some beautiful native flowers and plants and fruit. I think on this property there are mangoes and jackfruit, but we're just gonna take a look and walk around. There's this dog that doesn't like me right here. So the pigs run down this little area here. But here they are, just sleeping. No need to be spooked. Oh geez, I think I just spooked all of them. But let's walk through here. Take a look at some of these guys. They're getting startled. Hey, pig, 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 pig. Yeah, they're a bit startled. I'm pretty new to them, and I have this weird stick with a camera on it. So, all right, I won't agitate them any further. Let's get out of here. Hey, buddy. And here's the little fish pond. And there's actually a natural fish pond down the way. We got a fishing net down there, so we'll check it out. So this would be the finished product here. They'll wrap it up, sell it, or give it to loved ones. Here's a little Shiba pup. Just chilling, sleeping. And they're prepping more bunching over here.
Nhưng mà về trả tiền chưa? Tiền bạn đã không hết rồi. Thế vậy nó có trả tiền lại con không? Thì nó phải đợi cái cảng nó có một công riêng. Hiểu không? Không có về để mua bán.
Oh, he's eating the flaming hot Cheeto. Này là Spy Nu. Yeah.
Tôi cái trò luôn vậy đó. Nó cho luôn mà nó cho luôn đấy.
He's getting a little sunbathing on. Okay. Để mua gì vậy?
Cái gì đấy?
Bán nhiều thế? Bán nhiều thế?
Máy quay phim.
Hả?
Máy quay phim.
Quay phim để làm gì?
Đó, quay phim đó.
Đó, có một cái
Đấy. This is how many they've made.
Còn mấy con, 5 con nữa cơ mà.
Ủa gà này kia nó gửi lại hả? Làm đông.
We're walking back to the fish trap and we're gonna see what we've picked up. And I'm willing to bet there's a few fish in there.
Không có con nào vô hết.
And not a single fish. That's funny. Any fisherman knows this feeling. It's pretty thick with all the plants around that one spot. Where we really wanted it was in the center of that pond there, or in that clearer area. But with all that dense roots of these plants, there was no way we were going to catch anything, but it was definitely worth an attempt. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you liked it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and consider hitting that subscribe button. I'll see you guys next time.